Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great in this pandemic. Now, in the previous videos, I taught you the very basics of, the working of these blocks. Now I'm going to teach you how to switch backdrops and costumes of sprites and how to add a sound and how we are going to use two sprites. Till now we have only used one sprite. Now I am going to teach you how to add two sprites and how their coding works. Okay, so here I am going to make a very little story. So I am going to choose a giraffe. Here it is. I am going to cancel this sprite, this cat, and I am going to choose a butterfly. This butterfly is fine. And here these two will talk with each other. Whatever stories you want to make, it's totally up to you. There is no compulsion. You have to make this only. I'm just going to teach you the basics, the working. So I'm going to take a desert. So this is my backdrop. Okay. So I'm here. I'll make a story so that you can understand the better working. Now, what we have to do first, we have to take a event, because when we hit the green button, then only can our program can work. Now what I want to do is, the giraffe will say hello to the butterfly, so he'll say hello. Hello बोलेगा. Now what the butterfly will reply? Hi. So he will say hello for 2 seconds. Till he completed his statement, the butterfly has to wait for 2 seconds. So what I am going to do here is, in the butterfly coding, I am going to put first events and control, and she has to wait for at least 2 seconds till the giraffe has completed his statement. Okay. So now coming back to giraffe. Now the butterfly will say in reply, hi. Okay. Now the butterfly will say hi for 2 seconds, so giraffe has to wait for 2 seconds at least. So I'm going to run this program so you can see. Okay. Now in the giraffe sprite coding, he will reply to her hi. So what he will say? He will say, can you fly? He will say, can you fly? I want to see you flying. Okay. You can write anything you want. So he will say, can you fly? I want to see you flying for how many seconds? 2 seconds. So what we have to do is, we will go in the butterfly coding, and the butterfly has to wait for at least 2 seconds. And in giraffe's reply, she'll say, yes, I can fly. Yes, I can. See. Okay. So she will say for 2 seconds. So the giraffe has to wait for 2 seconds at least. Now what we have to do is, the butterfly is saying that she can fly. So how will she fly? There is no coding of it. So I'm gonna go in the costumes. Here if you focus, then you can see there are three costumes of butterfly: butterfly 1, butterfly B, and butterfly C. So if I change it, you know, can you see, if I constantly changing the costume of butterfly, it seems that she's flying. So what we have to do is we have to change her costume. Okay, so I'm gonna put a loop for 30 times, and what we have to do is this block is for changing costumes. If I only want to change one costume, I can put here switch costume to butterfly 1, but I want to change the butterfly costumes because she has three costumes. Okay, so I want to use all, so that is why I am putting next costume. If I only want to use one costume, what I have to use is switch costume to butterfly 1, and you can pick here. Okay, so look, okay, so can you see? So now her position is this now. So what I am gonna do it, I am gonna put switch costume to butterfly 1 C A. So when the program starts, she will come back to her initial position. You noticed here, she has came back to her initial position. Okay, and after next costume, I am gonna put here. Sorry, I have to stop this and this to this. I hope you are getting it. Now what we have to do, the giraffe has seen her flying, so now giraffe will reply, oh great. Put 3 seconds. So what he will say, oh great, for 2 seconds. So what we have to do is we have to put wait 2 seconds for here, because giraffe will say for 2 seconds at least. Now after completing his oh great statement, the giraffe wanted to say that he feels hungry. Okay, so I just wanted to put wait 1 second, because when he completes his oh great statement, I just don't want him to immediately say I feel hungry. I want him to wait for 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna put here I feel hungry. Let's go back. Let's go to some place where we can eat. Okay, so see. So now he is saying this for 2 seconds. So butterfly will reply, let's go. Okay, and in giraffe coding, he has to wait for 2 seconds. Okay, now what giraffe is saying, he wanted to go to some place else. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the backdrop. So here in the looks section, here it is given switch backdrop to whatever backdrop you want to choose. So I'm gonna choose here a jungle. Okay, so here it is. So here you can choose a jungle backdrop. Okay, when he say jungle backdrop, so now the backdrop is changed, but I don't want the backdrop to change in the first position. So here I am gonna put switch backdrop to the first backdrop. So what was our first backdrop? It was desert. Okay, it's clear now. If you have any queries, drop the queries in my comment box. Okay, so now in the butterfly coding, she is saying let's go for 2 seconds. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a sound thing. So I'm gonna put a loop first. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat here it for 1 second, and I'm gonna put a sound. Okay, how can you change sound? Go to sound section, search a sound, whatever you want to do, and I'm gonna choose a snort sound. Okay, and here it is. I'm gonna put it faster. Okay, and here it is done. So when the backdrop is changed and when he say I, okay, so before this the giraffe will say I heard a sound, and then he will say this, then he will heard a sound. Okay, and then I'm gonna put stop all sounds because I don't want the sound to keep continue after he heard the sound. So I'm gonna put stop all sounds so that all sounds will stop. In the butterfly coding, I'm gonna put her for 5 seconds. Okay, and giraffe will say okay, bye. So see, so that was my story. You can make any story you want. I just wanted to clear all the basic functions of how the blocks work. So if you have any queries, drop your queries in comment box, and do subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. That's all for today.